because to me, personally speaking, it seemed like they have raised the minimum fare after 6,000 videos I did for $2 trips, and I can't buy a pack of gum and all that shit. I think they raised the fares, the minimum anyway.
Well,
yes.
you know what? I'm going to have to regretfully disagree. And that is because we're seeing a ride right here.
Well, that's not from LA County. That's from Ventura County.
Okay, well, it's still the lowest you've ever seen.
This is by the way, you know what? I have an email. I had an email today. Actually, I'm doing a behind the wheel tomorrow morning with a driver. You know, in Ventura County, they don't show you where the rider is going either.
Mm-hmm.
They have the last 5 out
like
of 10.
12 minutes north.
Have the last 5 out of 10 garbage that they played with in LA County for a while. That is real for sure. Yeah, that's your ticket right there. Yeah.
Okay, but my question is, why is there a range? I've never seen a range on a ride.
Ventura County comes like that.
Really?
Yeah.
It's so bizarre.
Yeah.
So
but I mean, look, look, man. Look, we know where the trend is going. Rideshare is, I mean, come on, people. You know, look, $3, $2. What's the difference between this and a $3, $2.85, $2.25? Daniel says minimum is actually, well, when they'll get the adjustment, the Prop 22 adjustment. All I'm saying is, rideshare is out of control. Okay, and
well, the companies.
I mean,
the companies are out of control, not rideshare itself. But
we care about our own end, right? I mean, you know, look, a lot of people pay attention to take rates, this, that. Honestly, I don't want to like piss you people off, but you shouldn't care that much about that. You have no control over it. Is it a profitable trip for you? And if it's not, decline. Period. Let the damn thing ping out. Don't even click the X. Just let it go. And don't get pissed off. Don't get upset. It'll ruin your whole day. Just go at your business. Cherry pick. This is, you know what we know, right? People, by far, cherry pickers make much, much more money percentage-wise than people who accept everything. I have this from a very reliable source. Okay, so just sit there, be like Boston here, Matt in Boston. Just just pick the trips that are good for you. Screw it, screw Uber, screw Lyft. Just be patient, man. But yeah, that's a new low. Yeah.
Yeah. So $1.87 to $2 for a minimum fare ride. Whew. Damn.
Yeah, Prop 22 will top that off, though. If you looked at it, the pickup was like 9 miles on that goddamn thing. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pickup.
Yeah. So for the stats on this, it's 18 minutes away, 9.9 miles for a 3-minute, 0.6 mile trip.
So Prop 22, this 21 minutes, P2, P3, that's like $7 plus 10 miles. That's another 3.5. So this trip actually would pay $10. $10.5 with your top off. But then what Uber will do is the algo will send you some that balances it out, and then it'll all be like that. Yeah.
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past 1.5 years, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah, that's it.
So, quite ridiculous. IMO. Yeah. Either way.
$22 an hour. That's what we make.
These types of trips stay away from. But the real thing is, why is this person ordering something that's literally half a mile away when you could walk that?
Well, that also goes to show that the matching algo, how messed up it is, right? I mean, it's sending you 10 miles to go half a mile. Why is that? Why do you think that is, Chris? That's because drivers are passing on and they go, nope, no, thank you. And that's the Uber
well, I mean,
acceptance rate problem.
honestly, even if you were walking slow, you would still walk that in half the time of somebody to come pick you up and drop you off there. You would make it there in 10 minutes versus 21 minutes.
Well, if they price that correctly, because all the drivers in the vicinity of that rider declined this. That's why it keeps going further out now, because we can't sell this shit for this price. Algo, why don't you figure that out? That is the pricing.
Jeff, I don't care. He can roll himself all the way there.
What's happening? Did I miss something?
He said perhaps the rider is disabled. It's possible, but let's be real. The reality is they're probably just fat and lazy.
Brutal. He can roll himself there. Come on, bro.
I mean, the reality is they're probably just fat and lazy. That's the reality.
I'm not gonna touch that. we get canceled.
I don't give a shit.
I know you don't. All right, let's go.
Actually, Jeff, they're probably playing victim.
Jeff loves victims. Norma up there.
They're probably playing the victim card. Well, I can't walk a half a mile because of whatever, because I'm scared of the outside. Well,
Well, anyway, please. Okay.
I ain't got time for that shit.
Yeah, don't accept these. Just let it ping out. There's only 10 seconds. It messes up the algo some more. Don't click the X. Let it ping out. Okay, there you go. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.